Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Perfection Art by Tracy, and I'm Tracy. And welcome to another edition of the 1000 Below collaboration. If you haven't been here with us before, what that is a group of amazing artists that, for whatever reason, haven't reached our 1000 subscriber mark. So every month we take turns, and each of us will pick a theme or an idea or a technique, whatever, to paint. And this month is the cloud pour. I think it was Elaine Burton's turn to pick, and she picked the cloud pour. And who better to be our guest artist than Tiffany from Willie B Studio Art. So I want to personally thank Tiffany for joining us this month, and she does the most beautiful, beautiful cloud pours. And she normally does them on these round canvases, and they are just phenomenal. She is the cloud queen, we'll say. If you have noticed, I hit that 1000 subscriber mark. Guys, thank you so much from the absolute bottom of my heart. It just means the world to me. I'm sad to leave my 1000 Below group, but hopefully they'll let me stick around for a little while. But this will be my final video with them for now. So maybe they'll let me come back in the months to come. There's also a playlist down in my description box of all the artists today that are going to be doing cloud pours. So please, please, not only click on that playlist and watch their videos, but please consider subscribing to all of our channels. They were just such a great group of people. I absolutely love them. All right, so what we're going to do tonight is a little different. I'm going to use a slop bucket. I literally have 4. This is a quart. I have 4 gallons of this blue slop paint, and it's beautiful, but I've got to use it up. You can tell that my main color I paint with is blue. But anyway, so I'm going to use this as my base coat, my background, because I actually want to try to do just a straight pour with the cloud mix and leave some negative space. So it's not the Willie B Studio form of the beautiful cloud pour, but we're going to do it the Tracy way of doing a cloud pour. So my colors real quick. I actually have 2 different Prussian blues. I just want to play with them a little bit. I have the golden Prussian blue. I'll show you the difference. Oh, I don't know if you can tell, this one's down in a jug. And this is Amsterdam Prussian blue. To me, it's much darker, like a navy blue. And this one is a little bit, the goldens is a little, on camera they look the same. But trust me, in person, this is more like a deep royal blue. So I want to play a little bit with those 2. And then I have Amsterdam Turquoise green. Everybody knows this is one of my favorite colors. Got the cloud mix, 24 karat gold. And then I've got TLP, this little piggy, Galaxy. And I mixed a little bit of Master's Touch Pearlescent black. So just, oh, so pretty. And then I'm all out of this. This was my last bit. My TLP, this little piggy in Brulee. This is one of my favorite TLPs. So definitely have got to get more of that. I can't live without it. So, all right. So what I'm going to do, put down my base coat. I'm going to layer my cup, do my straight pour, tilt, put you guys to some music, and I'll check back in the end. I'll see you in just a minute.
It's not about the dollars and dimes we keep in our pockets, not how we go from losses to profit. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. I know you know that we can do better. I think it's not a hopeless endeavor. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. No, I'm not the only one getting tired, stuck in an emotional landslide. What if we just stop for a minute and think, what have we become? It's not about the dollars and dimes we keep in our pockets, not how we go from losses to profit. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. I know you know that we can do better. I think it's not a hopeless endeavor. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. Serenity is made with contact. Serenity is made with contact. It's not about the dollar. Not about the dollar. I know we can do better. We can do better. 'Cause you ain't just another. You were born to elevate. It's not about the dollars and dimes we keep in our pockets, not how we go from losses to profit. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. I know you know that we can do better. I think it's not a hopeless endeavor. It's not about the files and contracts. Serenity is made with contact. Serenity is made with contact. Serenity is made with contact. It's not about the dollars. I know we can do better. 'Cause you ain't just another. Serenity is made with contact. Ooh, boy, I'm burning up. It's like you're breathing fire, 'cause I'm sweating in your view. Ooh, the world is in your clutch. Your count keeps getting higher, and I'm standing in line for you. With a heart like that, you're gonna get stacked with love, yeah. And what I got is metal light, I know, na 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 na. With a song like this, I hope I won't miss that competition. And when I play what I gotta go, na 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 na. It's like I wanna get shot and glued and over my grave. I'm gonna get played, but you, you make me go na 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 na. Like I'm under your feet, so screwed. I'm gonna get smashed, want it so bad, 'cause you, you make me go na 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 na. I'm lighting up whenever I'm in your presence, so I'm floating in your smile. And it's just my kind of luck. You got everyone's attention. I've been falling for a mile. With a heart like that, you're gonna get stacked with love, yeah. And what I got is metal light, I know, na 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 na.
This is a reminder to me as to why I love painting with blues. Oh my goodness, y'all, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera. You have got to see. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. They are absolutely gorgeous. And it was a little bit of a tricky color, color palette with, some of the colors that I chose, but oh my goodness, I love this piece so much. I cannot wait to see when it dries. It is just, I don't know, there's something about it that the colors are just so rich and almost jewel toned. I love the composition. I love the big puffy clouds. That right there might even be my favorite part, just because of the color. I can't wait to see how that dries. And then, of course, the brulee is going to show up once it's dry. But I like the swoosh that it did. So anyway, that is my 1,000 Below collaboration cloud pour. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you not like the color palette? Do you love the color palette? What you think about it? Let me know. I'd love to know. And again, a huge thank you to Tiffany from Willie B Studios. And just on a personal note, to my 1,000 Below collab group, I'm going to miss you guys. I really am. And it has been such an honor and such a privilege to get to paint with you, ladies and gentlemen, every month. So have me back, please. But thank you again so very much. Hit the playlist down below. Go follow Who's After Me. I'm filming this before the lineup has even been made, so I'm not sure who was before me or who was after me, but hit that playlist and it'll take you to everybody's video. But thank you guys so much for everything, and if you don't mind, I'd love for you to still subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. I think I like this composition better the other way as I'm looking at it. I think this should be the top and that should be the bottom, but we'll see. I'm not going to be able to give you dry results because I am filming this literally hours before we're supposed to get on a plane and go out of town, but I will give you dry results in the video that I do as soon as we get back. So I love you guys so very much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the support and the love. And as always, until next time, bye friends.
Attention, I've been falling for